Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie, and I'm going to be showing you what comes in this page kit. If you don't have this kit already and like to pick one up, please click the link below, and I'll take you to my shop where you can find all kinds of fun projects. So in this particular kit, this is one with Mickey, and the title is Who Says We Have to Grow Up? Walt Disney. And on this side, it's a cute picture of Mickey. He's just adorable. It says, "I'm not adulting today." How many of you have felt like that at one time or another? So that page can really be used for everyday photos. It doesn't even have to be at the parks. But anyway, super cute and versatile one. Okay, so you're going to receive a sheet of instructions, full color, step by step. There's even photos on the back to help you along the way, and a larger image to help with paper piecing. All of the pieces have been carefully cut out and individually bagged to help in easy assembly. The larger pieces are in your kit loosely. And then all of the photo mats have already been measured out and pre-cut for you. All you have to do to add your photos, go ahead and measure the photo mat and trim your photo down to 1/4 of an inch smaller. In some cases, the photo mat might be perfect for 5x7 or 4x6 and no trimming needed. You're going to receive several strips here. These may need to be trimmed down, so please check your instructions. On the back, you're going to find drawn lines. I have traced templates by Kiwi Lane Templates to create these beautiful lines. Just go ahead and cut those out and glue them on as they show you in the instructions. You're going to also receive 2 sheets of 12x12 black cardstock and 2 sheets of 12x12 decorative cardstock. You will need to trim these down, but just once again, go ahead and look in your instructions and I'll tell you exactly what to trim them down to. Okay, and that's all I have for you today. And I just want to thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. And thank you so much again for watching and have a great day.